Forex Daybreak podcast, where we trade the Forex market with you. Entry, target, exit, and stop loss levels are covered when we walk you through every trade made in the show. 5% of Forex traders are profitable, and you can be among the winners. If you wish to find out profitable trade signals in the Forex market, Forex Daybreak is the show for you. Now, let's begin today's episode.
Welcome to episode 55. Today we are going to do more analysis than trading. I'm not going to enter any new trades. We are going to look at the market, few pairs, of course Euro USD and a couple of other pairs, and see the direction for this pair and what to expect next. It is recommended that you will learn to read the market yourself and not just blindly enter trades based on my signals or from any other signal provider. I will not take responsibility from your trading losses or credit from your profits. Okay, that said, let's start this episode. Okay, let's see Euro USD first. And very big move yesterday, which we didn't exactly catch. I was expecting a little more upside on the correction, but this of course wasn't what we got. So a very strong decline, price now 111 flat. Okay, so we declined below the trend line I have on my charts that connects the two lows of 110.865 and 111.045. And this is a strong signal for the bears. This decline from 114.94 at this point is in three waves, but is looking very strong. But it's more euro weakness than dollar strength. So this is one thing to be aware, that dollar has not strengthened that much in other crosses, and euro has weakened across the board. So let's see this on a 1 hour chart. I have a Fibonacci expansion tool on my chart. We are right at the 161.8% level right now, and might stop for a correction right here. Yesterday I was looking for a little more upside on the correction. I was expecting a move towards 114 level. Of course that wasn't the case, so we got this strong decline, and I didn't catch that move on my trading. I proposed a sell stop order around 113.15, so if you followed that advice, you catch this move right where it started. I was unavailable yesterday to trade this move. But still, this is a strong case for the bearish wave count and bearish view. And if we get back onto the 4 hour chart, so here we can see that we have declined nicely on below to the support level, and now can expect possibly a little correction and more continuation on the downside. I have labeled here 109.5 level, and this is one possible level for this structure to bottom. So if we draw it in here, we can expect possibly something like this. Okay, let's take a look at some other pairs. Euro pound also declined, similar wave structure as in Euro USD. I have labeled waves 1 and 2 on my chart. Possibly the degree is 1 too high, but I'm going to leave them for now. I will fix them on the weekend when I release my future trades video. So similar situation here, a strong decline which is looking to continue. This is very strong signal that we have started the next larger move down. Although at this point this is still a three-wave structure and can be a corrective move, but there is a lot of supporting clues on euro pound as well that this would be the start of larger decline, and much more downside is expected. Okay, let's see euro yen next, and euro weakness here as well. Euro yen is following the view that we are on triangle and need a three-wave structure towards 132 level. We can see this forming right here. Price now 134, so maybe 200 pips more to downside can be expected on this pair. Also possible trade opportunity here to trade this to the downside. All right, let's see Euro Canadian dollar, and we have seen finally here a decline below the support level of 146 or 145.9. Around 146 is the strong support level, which held multiple times before yesterday we broke through it. In Euro Canadian dollar also we can expect a continuation for the larger downtrend, this being the start of the third wave, and we can expect a lot more downside on this pair and good trading opportunities. But all around euro weakness. Let's see last US dollar Canadian dollar. Also here we can start to make out a five-wave structure. The reversal here has likely also happened, and we can expect a lot more upside on US dollar Canadian dollar. And if we draw this structure, we can start to make out the first five-wave structure, possibly a little more upside before larger correction. Alright, that's all for today. And visit the show notes at ForexDayBreak.com/55. And let me remind you that you can get this video analysis, daily trading signals and access to my trading system when you subscribe for my basic membership. Membership fee is only $10 a month, and I have a 14-day free trial for you to test out my service. You can cancel with one click, so this is truly a risk-free offer. Go to ForexDayBreak.com/basic and sign up. Okay, more trades next week. Happy trading. Have a good weekend. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for your interest in Forex Daybreak Daily Podcast. If you like this show, we hope you'll visit our website, www.ForexDayBreak.com. Be sure to check the show notes on our website for this episode. Join us next time for another episode of Forex Daybreak.